Hey everyone, this is Cara here at Audi Volkswagen, one of the sales associates here to show you how to charge the Q4. Hi again, it's Cara here to show you how to charge the Q4 or any electric vehicle. This is a level 2 charger, which is a 220. These you can put in at home. It's the same thing that your washer dryer would be or your air conditioner would be connected. So you just pop it in and literally it connects with the car, and when that light turns green, it's charging. And then while that's given a little charge, I'm going to show you. These Q4s come with the chargers. These you can do at home. We have a regular plug that can attach to it, and that just goes to a regular plug, a 3-prong plug. That's like a very slow trickle charge. You can use that at home, but we recommend the level 2, which is what we're using here in the showroom. This is a 4-prong, which is a 220. Some people already have the 220s at their homes. Other people might have an electrician put a 220 plug in there. But this actually charges overnight is the best way to do it. And again, this is so easy. This just plugs in here and you just change the connectors. And that would come with the car. And this month, I'm happy to tell you there's a lot of rebates in this car. There's a $7,500 federal that we can still apply to these vehicles. When it's done charging and you're ready to unplug it, there's a safety thing in there so nobody else can unplug it. You do have to unlock the car and wait till it's white, which it just was, so I'm going to show you. Then you can safely undo this and put it on. See how easy? Most charging stations too, the one you had at home, will have the same thing. And it's really easy. So one more thing I would like to show you though, if you're at a charging station outside of home, usually the charger is at the charging docks. You just plug the whole thing in. And with the Q4s, they're very fast charging. 15 to 20 minutes, you'll be at 100%. And the mileage you get with a full charge has come a long way, almost 300 miles. All right, I hope this answered any questions you have. But please come see me. My name's Cara. I'm here at Audi Volkswagen. My number is 401-662-1502. Thanks.